The stairs are completely unstable. We can't even get up there safely. Yeah.
And the windows on the upper levels are shattered. The interior must be ruined.
You are standing face to face with a house from your dreams. On the edge of a cliff, looking out over the sea, surrounded by organic plants, as if it is a part of nature itself. Who built this, why, and why would they ever leave it? I don't know the answers, but I know this structure was not living up to its potential. Vines had wrapped around it, the walls had cracked, and the inside had been hollowed out. That morning when the tools started working, this structure heard a real sound for the first time. And we got to work.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch that corner. Got it. Easy now.
Make sure that coat is even before it sets. Copy that, moving to the upper quadrant now.
It turned out beautifully, absolutely pristine. Yeah.
The water looks wonderful. We should use it tonight.
The structural supports are completely compromised on this side.
Yeah, it's the same up here. We need to evacuate the area immediately.
The warmest and most beautiful place in a home is beside the fireplace. When there is wind outside, when there is cold outside, sitting in front of that fire feels different. Hands warm up, shoulders drop, breath deepens. You don't have to talk. You are just looking at the flame, and that looking rests you. This room was designed for that feeling. The fireplace is burning. The sea is visible, and you are sitting there with your coffee at ease.
Looks good there, just a little to the left. Yeah. All right, slide it off the dolly now. Easy. And pull the plastic off. These cabinets are salvageable, but the water damage is extensive. Yeah.
We'll need to clear all this debris before we can assess the floor.
In a kitchen, the window is more important than anything, because through this window you can see the sea. You are brewing coffee, the sea is in front of you. You are preparing food, the sea is in front of you. You are washing dishes, the sea is in front of you. Most restaurants don't have this view, but this kitchen does. We designed this kitchen in a way worthy of that window, because the right window is sometimes the best design.
Okay, lift it up.
Got it. Hold it steady while I secure the top screw.
Go ahead and hand it up. All right, hooking it now. Think it's stable? Yeah, give it a firm tug. Looks good.
We can't start until this ceiling is secured.
Secured? Look at this structural damage. It's
Every
ready to
home
collapse
should have a
entirely.
children's room, because
Okay,
a
pull it
children's
straight back.
room
Yeah,
is
it's
hope.
snagged on something.
It is the
Hold on, I'll
future.
clear it.
It is
Keep
where
moving left.
stories not yet lived begin. Someone who enters this room dreams big. They imagine space, they imagine the sea, they imagine adventures. And in this structure facing the sea, surrounded by organic curves, having a children's room was the most right decision. The most beautiful place in the world to dream.
This new mortar should secure the main cracks. The structure is definitely stabilizing now. Let's finish the lower quadrant.
Hold this end steady while I tap it in.
Okay, pushing it tight now.
Make sure that tile is level. Okay, I'm checking it now. We need more adhesive over here.
Secure that base before we move the tunnel.
All right, it's locked in.
Bring the next section over. Is that section secure yet? Almost, just tightening this last bolt now. Watch out, I'm bringing over the blue ramp.
The structural damage up here is worse than we thought. The beams are completely
And
rotted.
the water intrusion through these windows means everything.
You open your eyes in the morning. You go to the bathroom for a shower and the sea is right in front of you. Endless, deep blue, constantly moving waves coming and going. The light changes, the colors change, but the sea is always there, always waiting for you. No hotel in the world can offer this room, because this room belongs to this structure, to this cliff, to this building. Cannot exist anywhere else. This feeling cannot exist anywhere else. This room was designed for that feeling.
All right, moment of truth. Hit the main switch. Wow, that warm lighting makes a huge difference. It looks elegant.
The structural damage up here is worse than we thought. The beams are completely
And
rotted.
the water intrusion through these windows means everything.
The decay here is extensive. We need to secure this area immediately.
I'm noting severe water damage near the main support beams.
Taking a shower in a bathroom by the sea is different. The glass fogs up. The water is hot. Outside there is the ocean. Inside there is you. This contrast, the warmth inside, that endless cold blue outside, takes you somewhere else. Far from the city, far from the noise, only water and silence. This bathroom was designed for that feeling, for nothing else.
We need more plaster on this wall. Coming right up, I'll mix another batch.
Make sure that fitting is secure before we move on.
It's secure, I double checked the crimp. All right, bring it over here. Careful with the weight. Does the drain line up yet? Is the left side aligned? Almost, push it up slightly. All right, lock it in place.
Hold that beam steady.
All right, secure it now.
Check the level on the mirror.
The mortar on these arches is completely gone. It's not safe to proceed
without stabilizing the ceiling first.
I stepped back, and I looked. It was standing on the rocks, facing the sea under the sun. The vines were gone. The walls were gleaming. Those organic curves, those domes, that silhouette, it was clean now, clear. And it was speaking to the sea, as if it had always been this way, as if it had never ended. I don't know who built this. I don't know why they built it, but I understand even less now why they left it. Because this structure could not be abandoned. This structure was meant to be lived in. The forest tried to wrap around it. Time tried to bring it down, but this structure did not fall. Because some things are imagined too powerfully, it is not possible for them to be destroyed. This was a design concept. Nothing you saw was real, but that feeling, that window looking out over the sea, the warmth of that fireplace, that morning light was always real. It will always be real. Which room of this structure would be yours? Tell me below. If this video pulled you in, there is a playlist on your screen. None of them look like this one.
Hold it right there. I'm securing this side now. Yeah.
All right, pass me the next panel when you're done.
Does this look straight to you?
Yeah, that's perfect. Bring the shoe boxes over here. The stairs are completely unstable. We can't even get up there safely. Yeah.
And the windows on the upper levels are shattered. The interior must be ruined.
This crack runs deep into the foundation.
The contamination in the pool area is extensive.
It's a total loss.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch that corner. Got it. Easy now.
Make sure that coat is even before it sets. Copy that. Moving to the upper quadrant now.
It turned out beautifully. Absolutely pristine. Yeah.
The water looks wonderful. We should use it tonight.